ABP Induction Virtual Academy programs are the perfect choice for everything from new employee training to advanced courses covering topics such as maintenance schedule optimization, safety, and advanced troubleshooting. ABP Induction virtual training courses incorporate real-world knowledge gained through decades of experience and customer feedback. Virtual training has its advantages. Danger associated with human and machine contact is eliminated while delivering hands-on experience with efficacy comparable to traditional training. Virtual training can also be performed without impacting operations, incurring melting costs, and time spent waiting for the metal to heat up, as is the case with traditional training. Virtual training can easily be completed interactively by a game-like application on a PC, or better yet, in a room with virtual reality equipment. For instance, employees will learn how to avoid bridging through a training simulation. Bridging occurs during melting in the induction furnace when the melt material forms a solid sealing in the upper area, impeding the actual melting process. If this is not addressed appropriately, the machine could overheat and even explode. With the virtual training module, this scenario can be simulated and employees can be trained in a non-production virtual environment in a practical and hands-on manner and under the observation of all safety-related protocols. The employee performs all the work steps virtually and can experience additional dangerous situations which should never occur in real life and can only be experienced within a simulation environment.